It's easy to natively connect to MongoDB in Knowi. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up step by step. First, go to Queries on the left-hand side, and then select New Data Source. MongoDB will be the first option on the list. Start by giving your new data source a unique name, and then enter your host or IP. If you're connecting to a replica set or cluster, you can specify multiple hosts separated by commas. You can see how to format that here. Next, enter the port. This is optional, and if left blank, MongoDB will just use the default port. Then enter your database name, which is a required field. And if authentication is required for your database, you can enter the user ID and password. You can enter additional parameters in the database properties field. So for example, this connection uses SSL, a replica set, and an admin auth source. If you want more information on different properties to configure, you can refer to the MongoDB docs. If you want to write datasets back into MongoDB, enable writable destination by checking the box. Once you've got your parameters configured, you can test the connection. And when we see it successful, we can go ahead and save. And now you can start querying your MongoDB data. All of our collections are shown on the left-hand side, and you can expand these to see the different fields and data types within each one. You can build out your query using the visual builder, like I'm doing now. And as you're building it out, you can preview the data to see what that data set will look like. You can also build out your query in editor mode. So Knowi automatically writes the query for you in the native language for the database you're connected to. So in this instance, it's a Mongo query. And if you have additional transformations that you want to make, you could write those with Cloud9QL, which is like our in-house SQL. If you wanted to, you could join this database to a different data source by clicking Join Source. We've got more videos on how to do that, so feel free to explore our YouTube channel to learn more. You can specify what kind of query you want to run in data strategy, so you could run once and pull the data as is, set up a scheduled interval for your query to run, or you could run a direct query, which means that the data will pull anytime you open up a dashboard or a widget associated with this data set. Give your data set a name. And if you want, you can assign it to a category, and then create and run. From here, we can build a dashboard or visualization. Knowi makes it really easy to build dashboards by integrating AI to help you quickly build any widgets or answer questions about your data. So, for example, I could ask top campaigns by spam and conversions by customer weekly. Now I've got a dashboard with a widget with our raw data set, and then a widget for each question that I've asked, as well as our AI recommendations widget, which essentially analyzes your data and will generate a list of findings and recommended action items based on those findings. So you can go into any of these widgets to verify the steps that AI took or edit anything. And then you can go into the visualization tab to specify how you want to visualize this data. If you think of more questions that you want to ask about your data, you can either go into the update instructions here and provide more prompts, or you could use the natural language processing bar at the top of the dashboard to ask questions in plain English. So I could ask total emails by message type, And you'll see that the data is automatically sorted and filtered for me based on the question I'm asking. And again, I can go into that visualization tab and select which kind of visualization I want to use. So for example, that AI recommendations widget is right here. I could also generate instance sites based on this data. I'm going to stick with a simple pie chart for this one. And then we can add that to our dashboard. And then you can rearrange these widgets to customize your dashboard so you like the look and feel of it. You can generate instance sites for any of your widgets, and it will be a list of findings on the data. And these could include anomalies, bottom values, growth rates, predictions, and high values. You could also set up alerts. These could be alerts on thresholds that you identify or anomaly detections. And you can send out your report as a PDF, and it integrates with Slack or Teams or email, whichever one your organization uses. So that's it. You are now connected with your data set in Knowi and building out dashboards in just a few minutes.